Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video we'll be working on 2016 Bentley GT convertible front bumper. So let's go check it out. Alright, let's take a closer look at this Bentley. So a customer brought it to us to patch this hose up. He just purchased this car and the car had a front license plate. He doesn't want the front license plate, so we'll patch those holes up and repaint it. It should be ready to go. So enjoy the video. Alright, the grill is off. Pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws on top, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips at the bottom holding the grill. So we'll patch those holes up, and same with the bumper. Primer it, paint it, it should be ready to go. Alright, the bumper is off. Pretty small bumper. We're gonna remove all the grills from it and start repairing those holes. And same with the grill. We're gonna remove this grill, the chrome piece and the mesh, and start repairing the holes. Alright, so how we're gonna cover those holes, I usually like to find like an old piece of bumper and kind of cut the holes out. So I marked it, and it's gonna look like something like this, clean, and then I'll put glue in the back, and then up front we'll put Bondo, so this way it won't crack later on. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you cover the holes. Alright, so it's gonna look something like this. And we got 2 more holes to do. And the bumper is done. And same with the bumper. Patched it up. Alright, we patched up the holes, so we'll use solder gun to kind of melt them in there in the back, and then we'll use special net to patch it up in the back, and this is the glue we're gonna use, 4240. Alright, the grill got primered. Same with the lip and the front bumper. So we'll paint the whole bumper, complete grill and bottom lip. Alright, we got the bumper, the grill, everything in the spray booth. We'll spray it real quick and it should be ready to go. We'll start putting the car back together tomorrow, let it sit overnight. Alright, Bentley parts got painted. This is the grill. We'll start putting it back together. Same with the bumper and the spoiler. We'll put the bumper together and start installing it. Alright, bumper is finished. Time to install it. Everything came out nice and clean. Can't see the holes anymore. And same with the grill. Everything together, ready to be installed. Nice and clean. Alright, front bumper installed. Now for the final piece, this is the grill. So we'll install the grill, wash this car, get it all detailed and ready for delivery. Alright, just picked up the Bentley for the car wash. It's washed, detailed, and ready for delivery. Front bumper, well, looks like nothing ever happened. No more holes. Customer is gonna be very happy.